of unit number 2 is waveform coding methods. First part में क्या था आपका source coding method, ठीक है, and in the second we are having waveform coding methods. So the waveform coding methods can be classified into three types. First one is temporal waveform coding, second is spectral, third one is model based coding, ठीक है. Now first one, the temporal waveform coding. So temporal waveform coding, the name because of we perform coding in time domain. We perform coding in time domain. For example, PCM, DPCM, ADPCM are the example of temporal waveform coding. If you know the concept of PCM, that is in the PCM we are assigning number of bits. That is number of bits, that is the code words, ठीक है, which is number of levels, ठीक है. But in the DPCM we take the difference between the two levels, so it will make the number of bits in the code word, ठीक है, is less as compared to PCM, ठीक है. But in the ADPCM it is advanced version of DPCM and PCM also. So in these two cases we are having the step size which is uniform in both cases, PCM and DPCM, ठीक है. But in the ADPCM we can adaptive delta pulse code modulation, so we can change the quantization level depending on the step size, ठीक है. step size जो है ना उसको हम change कर सकते हैं with when input, ठीक है, when the input waveform is varying accordingly, ठीक है. So if there is very large change in the adaptive in the input waveform, we can have large number of step size, or if the waveform is having very less change, you can have the very low level of the step size, ठीक है. So ADPCM, there are very methods to perform ADPCM. Very common methods are AFB and AQB. That is, AFB was the adaptive quantization with forward estimation, and second one is adaptive quantization with backward estimation, ठीक है. And AQB and AFB, this is AQB can use the adaptive prediction with backward estimation, that is prediction method जो है ना, ठीक है, it will use the adaptive prediction with backward estimation, ठीक है. So in both the adaptive quantization with backward estimation, ठीक है, so in which it is using it use the samples of quantizer output to use the derive backward estimation, ठीक है. बैकवर्ड एस्टिमेशन डिराइव करेगा, इसलिए इसका नाम क्या है, एडेप्टिव क्वांटाइजेशन विद बैकवर्ड एस्टिमेशन, ठीक है. सो इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल डायग्राम, सो इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी टू एक्सप्लेन, बहुत सिंपल है, ठीक है. इफ़ यू नो द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इफ़ यू स्टडीड अबाउट द डीएम एंड एडीएम, ठीक है, इट इज़ लाइक द सिमिलर दैट डेल्टा मॉड्यूलेशन, एडेप्टिव डेल्टा मॉड्यूलेशन, ठीक है. सो now second one is spectral waveform coding method. So in the spectral waveform coding method, the coding is performed in frequency domain. The name is spectral waveform, that is you will perform the coding in spectral domain or frequency domain, ठीक है. In spectral domain there are further classification into three types. First one is SBF, SBC, that is subband coding. Second one is adaptive transform coding, and third one is model based coding, ठीक है. So in the subband coding, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू आर यूजिंग द स्पीच एंड इमेज सिग्नल, द सिग्नल इज डिवाइडेड इनटू स्मॉल नंबर ऑफ सब बैंड्स एंड टाइम वेवफॉर्म इन ईच सब बैंड इज इनकोडेड सेपरेटली. Filter design is important in achieving good performance in SBC. So we will use quadratic mirror filters, ठीक है. We use quadratic mirror filters due to their perfect reconstruction property. By using the QMFs, the lower frequency band is repeatedly subdivided by a factor of 2, thus creating octave band filtering, ठीक है. So in the the output of each QMF is determined by a factor of 2, ठीक, in order to reduce the sampling rate. For example, suppose that the bandwidth of the speech signal is 30 to 100 hertz, ठीक है. For example, if you are having the speech signal which is having the bandwidth of 30 to 100 hertz, so in the SBC coding, SBC में क्या होगा, in SBC we will divide the complete band into two parts. I wouldn't divided by 2, that will be done by QMFs, ठीक है, that will be done by QMS. So QMF क्या करें, QMF will divide the complete band into two parts, so continuous way, ठीक है. So जिस तरह उसको 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हाफ करेंगे तो विल गेट द 1600 इज द हाफ. सो इट विल हैव द the first pair of QMF divide the spectrum into low 0 to 1600 and high 1600